So sun's setting. I actually put on a long sleeve. It's getting colder. I'm gonna go for a little quick hike around the woods, see if we can find anything cool, and then we'll probably try to eat something. I'm thinking of going to sleep early. That way we can wake up early and maybe even see the sun rise. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So. Last raspberry. I think I might just eat my Cliff Bar right now, my second one. Probably get changed soon because it is getting colder. I set up my bed right here. It's my pillow, my blanket. That's it. That's me a basic setup. One last meal. Chocolate brownie. It's gonna be good. Hopefully it's good. I never tried these Cliff Bars, but yeah, it's getting cold too. I'm about to put on my socks soon, and yeah. Well, hopefully we can make it through the night, man. There's a lot of bugs swarming me, mosquitoes. I don't know if you see them. It's crazy. Chocolate brownie. Smells great. Looks good too. Tastes better than the last one. Right, y'all. So, it's still bright out. It doesn't look that bright on camera, but it's still sort of bright. But I think I'm gonna be sleeping now, just because I don't know. There's a mosquito right on my phone. Yeah, these mosquitoes are going crazy. So let's see if I can get some sleep. And yeah, so see you guys in the morning. Alright, y'all. It's the middle of the night and it is so cold. I'm about to pack up, try to go into the woods and make a fire because it is unbearably cold right now. With the amount of gear that we brought, we need to make a fire or else we're not going to be able to survive. So I'm going to pack up all my stuff, head into the woods, and then try to make a fire. We do have matches because we brought that candle, luckily, so hopefully we can make a fire because it is so cold right now. So let's head out. got the fire going real good right now. Some big pieces in here, right there, there, and there. So pretty much set. Just chilling now. It's nice and warm. Just enjoying its heat. Right now we got a bunch of the big logs on. Huge logs, so we're doing really good with this fire. This one will last a long time. So I'm just putting out the fire right now. It's really just embers left, and so we're just gonna let this go. And then I think we'll try to find somewhere to sleep, because I've been in front of this fire for a long time now. Getting tired. I don't know what this guy's doing, but he's flipping leaves around for the past few minutes. Right now, you hear a lot of rustling. A lot of animals are out right now, moving around. Honestly, this would be a good time to hunt, but that's not what we're doing here. Taking cover in the forest. That way, it's just not as windy, less cold. So it's pretty nice in here. Oh. Alright, so sun's coming up now. You can see it on the trees and stuff. I'm just spending some quiet time just watching some of the animals in here, seeing their behaviors and what they do. Yeah, just a quiet morning. So I have one more left. I actually ate one last night. I didn't film it, but it was the chocolate chip Cliff Bar, and it was really good, but we have a peanut butter one now. So let's see how it is. So last night's sleep was very cold. It was chilly, and it was hard to really get some good sleep. Happy we made it to the morning now, and I think when the sun comes up a bit more, we'll do some more foraging, see what plants are in this area. I just moved to a different place now, so we'll see if there's some better edibles here. Okay, it's been a while since I came into the forest and saw the robin. It's still doing it. It's still here. Just pushing up leaves around and jumping. So we just found a crab apple tree. Luckily, I got one down, so just clean it. It's not red yet, not fully red, but it does taste fine actually. So right here, found some wood sorrel. Got a good patch of them right here. Yeah. We have a bit more. We really taste that lemony flavor. It really shoots out. It's pretty good. So I'm just looking on these plants on the ground here, and right here is the plantain. Let's see if there's a clean little leaf. So, very familiar plant. So here I'm gonna just try the plantain by itself. It has a hairy, it's really hairy, but it's alright. It's bitter. Back with the lamb's quarter. This has been probably my favorite green that we found so far. It's not bitter. It has a nice little taste that, a distinct taste for itself. Alright, so I was looking around just in this area here, and I actually found some mint. I don't know, I didn't notice it before. I'm pretty sure I saw it a lot in the past few days, but there it is. I'm gonna try it. So with mint, it's very familiar looking. Has that really rough look with the spikes on the leaf. And when you pick it off the plant, you give it a sniff, it does smell like mint, so freshen up the breath, Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned some survival skills or just had fun watching this video that I made. Had a fun time during this 2-day trip, and was able to practice my survival skills, my bushcraft, and foraging skills out here. So it's a really fun time for me. I'll definitely do it again, and this was a blast. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.